Well, good morning. Well, we're still here at Kilpecker, and yesterday was a great day. Not so much the windstorm wasn't too great. Hopefully that video turned out all right, or you could hear what was going on. And then it calmed down, and there was no wind until about the time it got dark. Got a little windy, and then a few hours later, not really sure what time because we were in bed, we had another short windstorm, just about as harsh as that first one. So kind of fun rocking and rolling and inside the camper. Yeah, today we're going to go into Pinedale and then up to do a little grooming here. I should have done it before I started. Anyway, we're going to go into Pinedale and do some laundry and get some showers. Probably don't really need to do the laundry. Definitely need to get some showers. And but we're not sure when we'll have a chance to do laundry again easily, within a reasonable amount of time. So hopefully then I'm going to hit the Mountain Man Museum and have a little footage from that. And then we'll be at Willow Lake. So I'm not sure when I'll check back in, but I hope you'll join us, or I'll see you tomorrow. Next video. Not really sure. I haven't done this before. This is all new to me. I don't know how long it's going to last or what I'm going to have. So anyway, we'll talk soon. Bye. Well, as you can see out the front, the way we're headed to Pinedale and Willow Lake might be some interesting weather. Not that we haven't had some already last night, but yeah, we'll see. It does say it's supposed to be 100% chance of rain here shortly, and I don't know if you can see. I'll try to pan the camera over. You can see the mountains over to the right side of where we're driving. Looks a little clear. It doesn't look as hazy. Okay, so we're in the town of Farson. And I've forgotten about this place being here. We had passed by this way a few years back. And they do have some big cones. Okay, and here's the ice cream in the big store. I don't know what happened here. There is just tons of flavors. And the cones are huge, but again, as a morning and stuff, we're probably not going to partake. Sort of your typical snacks and stuff. And Carol looking for something for the granddaughter.
What do you think? Mistletoe or duck moose? Do you guys want? You don't care.
Coonskin caps. For $31, I could get myself a buffalo cap, or I could get a free ball on top of my knitted hat. Turn here. Willow Creek Ranch Road. Oh, private road.
No, this.
Well,
According
no.
to this map, you don't turn here.
Really? We may never get to Willow Lake. That's really a bummer. Well, hopefully we're going to get to Willow Lake. Otherwise, we're going to be going back into town and getting gas.
So we can try again.
So we can try again. Maybe the phone and the GPS are a lot smarter than Gaia. Well, and here we are driving back. Because the alternative road that was showing on the map was another private road, dead end. So I guess our choice now is just to follow the map on the phone, and hopefully that won't lead us astray. All right, well, we made it. We're here at Willow Lake. Gorgeous lake. Nice puffy clouds. Not like it was earlier where it looked like it was black clouds over us. Anyway, it's a little campground here. It's not maybe as private as we'd like. It's a free campground, no fee. Anyway, you can kind of see the campsite here. Yeah, so there's a bear box. I guess we're in bear country. You can see the camp spots are fairly close. Not what we like, but it's a gorgeous lake. So anyway, there wasn't a whole lot today that we did. And, you know, what did we do? Laundry. Took showers. Both of which were good things. But, yeah, it looks like, you know, tomorrow we're going to go to the Museum of the Mountain Man and then up to Green River Lakes. We may boondock there, or we may camp, we're not really sure. We'll see you in the morning, and maybe I'll fly the drone out here over the lake and in the area.